At Star Aviation, we're shaping the future of ground handling. Our transformation journey, Project Sirius, reinforces our commitment to innovation, continuous improvement, and operational excellence. A significant leap forward in this journey is the integration of cutting-edge telematics across our entire ground support equipment fleet, powered by Blackhawk. This isn't just technology. It's the key to unlocking a new level of operational intelligence for Star Aviation and its clients. Powered by real-time data, Blackhawk enables us to deploy and utilize every asset with precision. This translates directly into streamlined aircraft turnarounds and provides powerful support for the on-time performance our airline partners rely on. We're leveraging this technology to reinforce our unwavering commitment to safety. Enhanced monitoring capabilities support proactive safety management across the apron. Simultaneously, data-driven insights drive predictive maintenance, maximising equipment availability, and ensuring the operational reliability our customers depend on day in and day out. Through Project Sirius, Star Aviation is harnessing these data insights to continuously enhance our service delivery, delivering safer, more efficient, highly reliable ground handling support.